cholesterol is a lifestyle issue which most of us can relate with. Once you change that and follow a healthy routine, this problem can be easily reversed. Today on Homeveda, I will show you how to manage cholesterol for optimum health by using home remedies which have been shared by my doctor friend Dr. Trupti Shah. One of the easiest ways to get rid of your bad cholesterol is to consume Amla or Indian gooseberries. You just need the following ingredients for this: Amla powder or puree, ginger, black pepper, honey or salt and water. Chop 2 to 4 pieces of Amla. Now add some water. You can add around 250 ml of water. Now you can also mix other ingredients such as ginger. Ginger is a superfood that can help reduce bad cholesterol and boost good cholesterol. Now let's add a little bit of black pepper. Black pepper is a source of antioxidants. It contains piperin, which helps reduce cholesterol uptake and reduces the levels of bad cholesterol. And lastly, I am going to use some honey. You can also put salt in place of honey. And now let's grind it. Amla is loaded with vitamin C and has innumerable health benefits and is a great antioxidant. Studies have also shown that the fiber in Amla is great for your gut health too. We are now going to strain it. And it's ready. Well, the taste of all the ingredients is coming out really well and you should definitely try it at home. You can drink this every morning on an empty stomach to get the best results. Apart from Amla, there are other kitchen ingredients available at all our homes known to control cholesterol. Did you know that not all cholesterol is bad? There is good cholesterol which is required for the production of vitamins and to keep our body active. And there is bad cholesterol which can cause heart attack or block our arteries or can cause a host of other problems. You can get good cholesterol from normal food sources like vegetables, fruits, nuts, oils, fish, etc. You get it from unprocessed food derived from nature. You get bad cholesterol from eating a lot of junk, fried food, packed and processed food, sweets and so on. So now you know what to eat and what not to eat to manage your cholesterol. I hope you make a fair choice for your heart health. A simple blood test is good enough to know if you have bad cholesterol. In case you do, a lot of physical activities like yoga, swimming and running are good for you. If you are obese, you need to come down to your ideal weight with a combination of healthy food, good exercise and good rest. Rich in protein, fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed is great for your heart health amongst other illnesses like prevention of cancer, aiding in weight loss to name a few. Let's get started with the recipe. Take some milk in a cup and now take 30 grams of flax seeds and make a fine powder out of it. Add around 1 teaspoon of this powder to the milk and now stir it well. And now you can guzzle this down daily. Your heart will thank you for this. Most of the heart ailments are preventive and reversible only if you maintain a healthy lifestyle. So do you also follow any homemade remedy to manage your cholesterol? If yes, then what is it? Do share your thoughts on this with us. These remedies are great, but see a doctor immediately if you feel uneasy, breathlessness, pain in the chest or any other discomfort. As they say, prevention is better than cure. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Till then, keep watching this space for more such content.